Hello, it's FiberSmith. Today we are going to talk about FiberSmith USB cable. You know, a lot of people are using USB for their smartphone charging or when they deliver data from their external hard drive. And besides this kind of everyday use of USB, we now have put USB to a very good use for longer distance solution, like when we hold a conference call or for communication of medical camera or machine vision camera. So because this kind of need for a longer distance solution has become more and more important, the USB data transmission capacity has increased accordingly. The first USB version is USB 1.0, which has now grown up to even 40 Gbps USB through a lot of evolutions. There are two very popular USB versions taking the largest share of the USB market. First, USB 3.1 Gen 1 supporting 5 Gbps and USB 3.1 Gen 2 supporting 10 Gbps. And we are even now seeing 20 Gbps USB coming up. To counter the limitations of copper USB for longer distance operation, FiberSmith has launched this USB AOC as its most powerful optical counterpart. Okay, next let's get into USB standards that complete FiberSmith USB lineup. The very famous USB-A type and USB-A locking type and USB micro B type for medical camera or external hard drive communication. And finally, USB-C type we all know. Another point to make is FiberSmith USB's data transmission rate. FiberSmith has two very popular USB versions, USB 3.1 Gen 1 and USB 3.1 Gen 2, each supporting 5 Gbps and 10 Gbps. USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 is also out on the market, which is our next target for 2021 product launching together with 40 Gbps USB. Okay, now let's take a demonstration of our FiberSmith USB cables. Again, FiberSmith cable is all made of plastic optical fiber POF, which means it's very durable against bending. FiberSmith has 5 USB standards, USB-A type and USB-A locking type, and USB micro B type, and USB micro B right angle type, and finally USB-C type. So you can just switch every connector according to your requirements. And plus, FiberSmith USB cable can transmit data for 70 meters at maximum. Okay, so now we have 4 tests. First, USB data rate tester and SSD external drive and Intel camera and PTZ camera. And I'm just doing these 4 tests with A to A USB cable and A to C USB cable and C to C USB cable and finally B to A USB cable. So we will have 16 combinations of this test. Okay, so we have finished 16 combinations of USB, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. So please subscribe to my channel and drop a like before you leave.